Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up coupon sync and automatic affiliate commissions using Accept Stripe Payments and Affiliate Press. To sync Accept Stripe Payments with Affiliate Press, first you need to enable the Accept Stripe Payments integration. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Now open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Enable the Accept Stripe Payments integration and save the changes. Changes saved successfully. Now go to the Accept Stripe Payments Coupons page. This is the Accept Stripe Payments Coupons page. Here you can see the coupon records. Now click the Add Coupon button. This is the Add New Coupon page. Enter the coupon code and other required details. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliate User field. Search for an affiliate user and assign the coupon code to that user for commission tracking. Configure all the settings according to your requirements and save the coupon code. The coupon code has been saved successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Coupons page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Coupons page. Here you can see the synced coupon list and also create new coupons. Here you can see the newly added Accept Stripe Payments coupon record. Now go to the front-end Accept Stripe Payments Products page. This is the Accept Stripe Payments Products page. Now open any product you would like to purchase. Now click the Buy Now button. Enter the coupon code here. The coupon has been applied successfully. Now enter your name and email address. After that, enter the card details and click the Pay button. The product has been purchased successfully. Here you can see the complete purchase details. Now go to the Affiliate Press Commission page. This is the Manage Commissions page. Here you can see all commission-related records. See, the first record is the newly added commission, and as you can see, the source is Accept Stripe Payments. That's it. This is how coupon synchronization works between Affiliate Press and Accept Stripe Payments.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.